24 hours ago, this guy's Hinge profile was getting absolutely nothing he was excited about. So I took his profile and we rebuilt it into something that actually signals status, confidence, and a life that women want to be a part of. Then we uploaded the new photos to his Hinge profile and the change was almost immediate. Not just more matches, but better matches. Better energy, and a completely different kind of attention from women. In this video, I'm gonna show you his new photos and the exact principles behind why they work, because most men are one photo lineup away from your Hinge account exploding. Now, I wanna set the record straight because some guys see my makeover videos and they assume I only work with super desperate men who can't get matches. And that's not what this was. This guy was getting a couple matches here and there, but the volume was inconsistent and the quality was just mid. He's a successful guy in his career. He's super fit, he travels, he wants to meet a genuinely high quality woman and build something real. The problem is he works a lot, and because of that, he relies on dating apps the same way most busy guys do. So let me show you his photos before, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself while you're watching this. If you recognize mistakes in your own profile, drop a comment below. So in his old photo lineup, he's doing what most guys do. He's documenting his life, he's showing activities, and he's hoping women fill in the gaps and assume he's high value. But women don't fill in gaps, they swipe. So his first photo is like an adventure shot, and I know why he picked it, because he thought it shows himself as adventurous and fun. The problem with this photo is he's literally just a speck in the sky. High quality women are not zooming in to admire your hobbies, they're assessing your vibe and determining if it makes them feel something. And this photo gives them absolutely nothing to work with. They literally can't even see what he looks like, which for a first photo is a massive mistake. But even as a third or fourth photo, it's not optimal at all. Next up is a party shot, and the lighting is doing him so dirty. As a general rule of thumb, photos with low light, weird angles, anything chaotic, anything where your face isn't clear, doesn't usually read as fun. It reads as like weird, off-putting, and kind of risky. If you can't quickly establish what you look like in your profile, women are not gonna play the guessing game, and it's actually a red flag for them because they think that you're trying to hide yourself. And high quality women swipe away from risk fast. Also, if we look at his hairline here, it's receding pretty bad. And I know a lot of guys who are balding just try to hold on for dear life, but luckily I was able to convince him to shave his head, and you'll see in the after photos, he looks like a completely different person. Next up, he has a travel photo, and the location is pretty cool, but he's basically standing there like an NPC. The thing is, travel is not a personality, and pretty much every guy on Hinge has travel pics. If the best thing your photo communicates is, I went somewhere, it doesn't increase your value, it doesn't seem interesting, it just makes you blend in with every other guy, especially if your posing isn't on point. It just comes across as awkward and low value. Next up, he's got a beach photo, and this one isn't horrible, but it's just neutral. And neutral is why so many guys get stuck. Nothing is screaming no, but on the other hand, nothing is screaming yes. If your profile has photos like this, you just look like a decent guy who kind of exists. Basically an NPC. And unfortunately, that just doesn't get you results on dating apps. For photo 5, it's just more of the same. Another travel pic, just like a random NPC pose. The outfit isn't on point. The red hat and the blue shirt just kind of clash. And sure, like the background is beautiful and incredible. But again, this photo just screams to women, traveling is my only personality trait. But this photo doesn't make her feel any type of way. She doesn't find him attractive, high status, or interesting. He just looks like a guy who went on a vacation and got a mid photo like every other guy who goes on vacation. And for his last photo, the posing is really weird. He's standing at a 90-degree angle from the camera, not a very confident facial expression, and also not very confident body language. Just kind of got his hands in his pockets, shoulders kind of slumped. The crazy thing is, like, this is a confident guy. Like, in person, such a cool dude with good social skills, good charisma. But if you look at his photos, you don't pick up on any of those vibes. And that's exactly what I wanted to change with his profile makeover. Look, the issue here isn't that he was hopeless, it's that his photos were telling the wrong story. They were broadcasting nice guy with a camera roll instead of a man with taste, confidence, and standards. And high quality women have a sixth sense for that. Most guys are making common mistakes in their dating profile and they're not even aware of it. And you're scraping by getting a couple matches a week and you think everything is fine. But the fact is, if you don't understand what women are actually looking for on these apps, you're handicapping yourself so much. So if you want me to roast your photos and tell you exactly what to change, we do private one-on-one profile reviews inside of Riz University when you join. I put a link down in the description of this video if you want to check out the community and get your profile reviewed as well. Now, when we rebuild a profile for my clients, we're not just trying to get you more matches. We're trying to get you the kind of women you'd actually be proud to introduce to your friends. And for him, this was bigger than a photo photo shoot. We went through his wardrobe and cut out everything that was subtly lowering his perceived value, even if it felt fine or good enough. Then we built a clean list of what he actually needed, so his look not only matched his lifestyle, but attracted the types of women that he wanted to date. I also had him shave his head to look more mature and confident, and after he implemented our looks maximization coaching, he was like 3 to 4 points more attractive. And this is something I do for all of my profile makeover clients, because let's be honest, this is not just a photo shoot, and just a photo shoot is not generally the solution to your dating problem on Hinge. This is a life-changing transformation where we literally hold your hand every step of the way and set you up for success. On the day of the photo shoot, it wasn't just stand there and smile. We were building a lineup of photos and vibes that create the right assumptions, that he has taste, that he's confident, and that he's the kind of man a high quality woman can take seriously. Now we're gonna break down his new photos one at a time, and I want you to pay attention to what each one is communicating, because this is the difference between getting some matches and getting the kind of women you actually want to date seriously. So we started off with a nice suit photo. I call this the social proof dinner photo. It's a photo that clearly shows what he looks like, shows himself at his best, and it has a ton of social proof ingrained in the photo. And this is something that was missing from his old profile. He did have like one kind of weird dinner photo with these neon glasses that completely hid his face and showed a receding hairline. And that photo was totally missing the mark, and we were able to hit it with this photo. We wanted to set the right vibe up front, that he's a good looking guy, he leads an interesting lifestyle, and he actually has a social life, and he's not like a weird lone wolf. Next up on his profile is kind of like the subtle flex photo. We put him in the all white old money fit, went up to a rooftop with a nice pool, put a little beverage in his hand, and rather than using an NPC pose like he used to use and like every other guy uses, we actually trained him on optimal poses to look confident on camera. So not only did he crush this photo shoot, but while he's traveling in the future, he actually knows how to look cool on camera. And this photo gets the women absolutely soaking. All right, next up, we got a very cute dog photo. We actually didn't have a dog photo planned for this photo shoot, but conveniently enough, when we were going to a cafe for a different photo, there was this beautiful golden retriever. I asked the owner if she was cool with us taking a photo, and luckily she was very nice about it, and it turned out to be just such a nice, warm, wholesome photo. And as you'll see in his profile as a whole, we're balancing his vibe. So a photo like this is a nice, warm, kind of cute photo to make him look approachable and not overly serious. But then the next photo that we have, the pool photo, is a little more stoic. It's a little more dark. It's a little more badass. And that's a very important balance that I think a lot of people get wrong. A lot of people are so obsessed with appearing as masculine as possible that they forget that women on these apps are on there meeting strangers from the internet. They want to feel safe. They want to feel like you're a normal guy who's not going to harm them or put them in a dangerous situation. So it's important to, sure, have these masculine photos like the pool photo, but also have cute or warm photos so that women feel safe around you. Next up, we've got a bit of a paparazzi pic. So it's a low angle, full body of him walking past a luxury mall with a little shopping bag in hand. And to the male perspective, this photo might look kind of corny. And the first time I took one of these photos of myself, I was a little skeptical. Like, I didn't really think it would get the best results on a dating app. But when I uploaded mine, I was getting like 5 likes a day on Hinge on this photo. And it's all in the subtleties. The low angle with the full body is gonna make every guy look 6'1". This guy actually is 6'1", but you get the idea. If you're a short king, this is a really good angle for you. Also, the full body allows women to see your physique, see what you're working with. And there's a subtle psychological anchor here. When you think of brands like Nike, you don't think of athletic wear, you think of greatness. It's the reason they spend billions of dollars sponsoring the best athletes in the world. It's because they want that association. We're using that same psychological principle of association here by having him walk past a luxury store. We're not saying he's a model for this store or anything like that. As guys, I feel like we kind of overthink these things a little bit. But remember, women are swiping quickly, and a lot of the time it's their subconscious mind that is actually making the decision to swipe right and match with you, or swipe left and reject you. The subtle psychological principles behind this photo actually make it perform very, very well, because we're associating him with good taste and class. Last up, we included an athletic photo. Now, he's a runner, but I find that running photos just tend to look awkward and not really optimal. So luckily, he did have a few years of boxing training as well. So we did a candid photo of him taking off his boxing gloves at the gym, and it turned out really well. And you could probably see the difference, right? His old photos were documenting his life, but his new photos are selling the feeling of being with him. And that's what high quality women respond to. Now let's talk about results. Within 24 hours, the vibe changed immediately. And I'm not talking about one lucky match. I mean the type of women improved. The conversations had more momentum, and the energy that they would come at him with was different from the very first message. And this is what most guys miss, because better photos don't just get you seen more. Better photos change the assumptions women make before you even converse with them. When your photos signal confidence and status, you're not negotiating your value in conversation. Your profile already handled that. He wrote a beautiful testimonial in Riz University, and I couldn't have said it better myself. This isn't just about photos. This is a full style, mindset, and confidence reset. So if you want the done for you version where we literally rebuild your whole profile and get you photos like this, you can apply for a profile makeover down in the description of this video. It's not just a photo shoot, it is a life-changing transformation, and we hold your hand every step of the way. If you made it this far, pound that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.